I'm live at 13892 Alafare Street in Wellen Park community of Island Walk. This is a waterfront villa with a bump out screen cage. You put the high one in, and it's got beautiful palm trees, nice lake view. Watch the wildlife, listen to the birds. It's got hurricane shutters on all the windows and doors. Beautiful ceiling fan out here and nice wicker furniture. The furnishings are all included with the sale of this home. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a flex room. The flex room has a Murphy bed in it, so you can have for guests or a 3rd bedroom. Again, it's fully furnished. Beautiful lamps, tables, 3 recliners in this couch. 2 are electric. It's got beautiful artwork on the walls. There's a laundry closet in the hallway, full bathroom with tile walls by the guest bedroom. Beautiful dining room set. Plants, artwork, everything's included. We got bar stools, 4 bar stools. There's a built-in desk in the kitchen, 42-inch cabinets with crown molding on the top, a solar tube for light, and dual sink, water filtration system. The pantry closet to the left of the refrigerator, and it has a 2-car garage with painted epoxy flooring. The golf cart is included in the sale, and he will sell this Audi A5 convertible with 43,000 miles on it as a separate sale. He's asking for $25,000 for the car. Golf cart's included. This is a beautiful resort community with a lot of amenities, and you can buy it now and use it for the season, rent it for the season, because it's ready to go. It's got everything in here people need. So there's a coat closet off the entryway. This is the flex room with the Murphy bed. It's got plantation shutters, beautiful ceiling fan, French doors. This is the entryway with the front door, high ceilings. This unit is built in 2016. So just want to show you that nice ceiling fan. So lots of upgrades with this unit. The Murphy bed, the bump out high screen cage for the lanai, tile walls in the shower. There's a tub shower unit in the guest bath, full shower in the master, ceiling fan, nice doors. Beautiful slate bed there. So the master bedroom's over here. There's a hallway. There's the master suite with view of the water out the windows there. Just off the back of the unit. Master bathroom has a vanity sitting area and a large walk-in closet, attic access. Again, high ceilings and a walk-in shower. So again, this is 13892 Alafare Street, Venice, Florida. Schedule your personal showing today or stop by and see my open house. 13892 Alafare Street, Venice, Florida. Sheila Allaire, Exit King Realty, 941-928-5094. Give me a call. Come live in paradise.